Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to this channel. I'm SneakyHD and this is my first video. As you already did read on the title, I will be showing you guys how to get higher FPS and boost your computer's performance. No matter if you have a high-end or low-end computer, these settings will adjust your computer to get a better performance and just raise your FPS. After I did these settings guys on my computer, I got at least between 25 to 30 FPS more without even having to sacrifice the quality of my games. So guys, if you're ready, follow the steps and pause the video if you need. Let's go. Alright guys, step 1. This setting will allow you to have the ultimate performance option on the control panel. So what you want to do is you go to Windows search bar and type in CMD. Right click. Run as administrator. You should get up the command prompt. I have pasted in a command line in the description, so just go ahead and copy it and paste it in here. Make also sure you got the powercfg, the power configuration. When you're ready, press enter and it should look like this. Power scheme and some code here and the ultimate performance option. That's it guys, that's step 1. Let's go ahead with step 2. So the step 2 will change some settings in the power options on your control panel. So let's go ahead, go to Windows search bar, search for control panel, and up here in the search control panel search bar, type in power options or just power. Go into power options. As you can see guys, I already have this ultimate performance options and it's already checked in, but yours will probably be imbalanced or power saver, so just check in, and if you cannot see the ultimate performance option at all, it should be under show additional plans. Alright, so when you have enabled the ultimate performance option, go to change plan, choose never on both of these, press save and go to change plan settings again, press change advanced power settings. So here guys is the settings we need to change from. So as you can see, we can see that ultimate performance is active, and you basically need to go through all of these and check if you can change from medium performance or no performance at all to highest performance or ultimate performance. So let's go ahead and change these. As you can see guys, it's very important to have the minimum processor state at 100%. System cooling policy active. And also the maximum processor state at 100%. And these multimedia settings we don't need to touch because they has nothing to do with the performance or the FPS. So guys, when you all set, just go through them again and go back in the video if you need. So I was maybe too fast, but just go back in the video and check them all over again. These settings are actually quite underrated because they do so much for the performance of the computer. And so when you're done, just press apply and OK. Close this one. That's basically it, guys, the two first settings. Step 3 will basically be to disable all the programs and softwares you don't need on startup. So with this I mean you don't need some softwares or programs to start up with your computer when you boot it up, because this will just lower your startup time. So you just need to go to your taskbar anywhere, press right click and choose Task Manager, and as you can see here, guys, the tabs, you need to go on startup, and here, guys, you can see a lot of softwares and programs that usually started up with your boot up, your computer. So as you can see, I have only enabled some of them. So we can just disable like this one, Adobe, I don't need this on startup, disable. Adobe, disable, because I don't need it. WinZip, also disable. So as you can see, now there is only 2 softwares which starts up with my computer. This program I will just disable as well. So the Windows security notification, that one I will leave because that's very important. That was step 3. Now over to step 4, guys. These settings, we will adjust the audio settings on your device. So basically go to open sound settings. But don't worry, guys, this will not make your sound of your device worse. It will just decrease the amount of CPU and memory usage, so don't worry. So while in the sound settings, go to sound control panel, and while in here we can see that we got earphone, but that's my headset. So go in here, right click, choose properties, go to advanced, and here as you can see it's set to DVD quality, 48,000 Hertz. This is the best quality you can get, and we need to choose this one, 44,800 Hertz CD quality. Choose that one, go to apply, and as I'm recording for now I need to press no, but you guys need to press yes on this one. And you also need to do this for the headphones. So you do it for your both headphones and microphone. So go to properties, advanced, and this was already set to 44,800 Hertz. Press OK, and that's it. That was step 4. Now over to step 5, guys. In this setting we will adjust the paging file. So basically you need to go to the control panel and go to system and security, choose system, and go to advanced system settings on the left panel. So you got this one over here. So you can see computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, and remote. We need to go to the advanced and choose settings. Here, guys, you can see it's on costume. It's because I've chosen the adjust for best performance. So do that, guys. Choose this one, and then you will be able to choose smooth edge of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. So this will give you a better performance. Press apply. After this, you will have to stay in this window, go to advanced, change. So I pressed change here in the virtual memory. As you can see, my box is unchecked, so your box will be checked here, guys. So just uncheck this one like this and keep it on the C drive. So you just go to no paging file. So just press no paging file here, guys. Yours will be set to either customize or system. Just choose no paging file and check set. Choose yes on this one, like this. And basically you want to go back as well on the system managed size, so just go back again, set, and OK. And you will be prompted a window here where it wants you to change, to restart your computer, but you can do it afterwards as well. And guys, don't forget to press apply here on this window, so you can save all the settings you've done, all the changes. And OK here. So restart later. That was step number 5, guys. So guys, the last step, step number 6. Basically now we are going to go into the Windows settings. So go here, type in settings. As you can see here, you have gaming. Go in there. So this will also give you high performance depending on what game you want to play. So on the right panel you have some options here. Choose the related settings, graphic settings. And I have chosen these ones because I mostly play CSGO, but if you play Fortnite or whatever, you can just press browse and go to the directory of the game. So in my case, I think I have CS somewhere here. No, it wasn't there. It should be here then. Yes. So we choose CSGO. And as you see, specified app was already added. But when you add an app, basically you can just press on it and you got two options. You got options and you got remove. So we don't want to remove it. We just want to press options here. And you see, guys, this one is basically set to system default. We want to change it to high performance, right? We want high performance. We want higher FPS. So press high performance there, press save, and it will be saved as high performance. See? That's it. And I've also added Warzone, but I mostly play CSGO. So that's it, guys. These were the 6 steps on how you can boost your performance on your gaming computer and also get higher FPS. As you can see, guys, I've not been into some settings with some graphic settings on the games, or I've not adjusted the resolution or the graphic settings. I've just tweaked some Windows settings. If you have followed all these steps, guys, and you know it helped and you have already tested it, please leave a comment below so I know. If you're facing some issues while setting these settings or in the games, also let me know. Leave a comment on the description. I will read them all and I will answer them all. Other than that, guys, I will thank you for watching my video. As said, this was the first video on this channel and I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you to boost your FPS and your performance. Please leave a subscription, leave a like, and also leave a comment. Why not? See you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye.